In this support video, we will be replacing the fridge door for all 1722 models. From the top of the fridge, remove the cover. With an 8mm wrench, unscrew and remove the 3 screws while holding the fridge door. Carefully remove the top bracket while still holding the fridge door in place. Remove the door by pulling upwards. With your new door, place it into place by aligning the bottom probe into the fridge door. While holding the door, align the bracket and screws into place. You may need to move the fridge door slightly to align the screws. Once screws are in place, fasten the screws tightly. Place back the cover, and this completes the installation.